The Candy Cane Christmas Surprise. On a frosty Christmas Eve, snowflakes swirled and twinkling lights sparkled around Santa's workshop. Elves were busy in the workshop, their tiny hands working fast. One cheerful elf, Pip, loved Christmas most in all the North Pole. Tonight, Pip's ears wiggled with excitement. Gingerbread smells filled the air, and a bell jingled, "Ding ding!" Suddenly, Santa Claus swept in, boots crunching on glittery snow. Santa winked, stooping beside Pip with a shiny red and white candy cane. "For you, Pip, you've worked hard all year," Santa said, his voice jolly. Pip's eyes grew wide. "For me, thank you, Santa." Pip dashed to his workbench, swinging the candy cane. Whoops! The candy cane suddenly flew in the air. Whoosh! It landed in a sack of toy trains. The bag wobbled. Trains tumbled out clickety-clack across the floor. Pip chased them, slipping as toy cars and balls joined the parade. Other elves giggled. "Look, Pip's starting a Christmas train." Pip laughed too, chasing the runaway toys around the workshop. The room filled with chaos shouts, giggles, and chugging trains. Bells jingled, snowflakes danced, and warm golden light glowed. At last, Pip caught the candy cane. Santa chuckled, stroking his snowy beard. Christmas is for a little fun, especially with friends. Outside, the night was cold, but inside, laughter and magic sparkled just right for Christmas at Santa's workshop.